At Leighton Park, our scholarships are designed to recognise and nurture exceptional talent across multiple disciplines. Scholarships in Year 7 and Year 9 are available in academic scholarships, art, drama, dance, music and sport.
What we're looking for are people who can have a real influence on their chosen subject, have applicants who want to make a difference.
We're looking for great potential, but more so that they get involved in the musical family here at the school.
The people that are bringing new ideas into the department, that are keen to get involved in competitions.
I would encourage anyone that has a passion for sport to apply for a sports scholarship at Leighton Park.
Our scholars benefit from a whole package of support and unique opportunities: creative workshops, advanced coaching sessions, trips and events, one-to-one lessons, and our scholars' lunches. These opportunities are designed to help our scholars to excel in their passions and develop skills for the future.
LP can validate your talent and really push you to fulfil your potential.
Scholarships may carry a fee remission of between 5 and 30% of the day fee, with the higher values reserved for exceptional candidates.
Please don't be worried about the process. Relax, enjoy the experience, and be prepared to present your enthusiasm and the skills that you have.
The advice I would give to sports scholars wanting to apply: really celebrate your achievements, but also what you can bring outside of your sport in terms of being an ambassador and a role model for the school.
I wish you all the very best with your application for these scholarships as you take this next step to joining our vibrant learning community.